Alright guys, here is, you know what I wish you could do? There we go. Get out of here. Yeah, you just gotta put them down, you know what I'm saying, man? They be everywhere, bro. It's not like they just sit there. Oh. The reason I just made this tutorial is because look at the score we have. We're already like at 840 in the King of the Hill. This isn't necessarily my squad, but if they were, I mean, look at this. We're about to pass. Let me get out of that color so you guys can see. Some people say this is very hard to do. It is not. It is the easiest thing to do. I hate that. They're always following me. Yeah, I get it. It's not my fault. Look at that. We're already raised up to 1,000. Come on. Y'all know y'all can. Sorry if this is blinding you guys. Should I just end this video now? Or should I just keep going? Because they're throwing bombs at me. And if you can see, my thing will say red X a little bit. Because that's the clan on it. That's my clan. And if y'all fans of Ratchet, Deadlocked, and all like this, y'all go join. If you want to join, then let me know. My name, Kami Hummy Hot Times 10. I'll put that somewhere else later in this video. I'll put it above it so y'all know how to spell it. Actually, quite frankly, who else? I don't know. But when I leave this match, I'll go and put it up somewhere. Look at that. We got like 1,000. We're going. We still got 4 minutes left. So, show you guys the glitch. Alright, first thing you do while they're doing that, run up this wall. Just run up it. Run up it. Thank you. Just run up the wall and then back up on this rock. And then get on that rock. I don't know what's wrong with this. And then this guy goes trying to do it. Alright, go on this wall. Go on that wall. Okay, you see what the faggot just did right there? You see how he just killed me? Yeah, now it's time for some bad luck for him. He should not have done that, especially when I wasn't even bothering. Now they're both gonna die. Did you guys see that? I like follow behind him and then snipe him from the back. See that? I wasn't even messing with the guy, tell you the truth. I wasn't even doing anything. What do they keep doing? Trying to kill them. It's getting kind of annoying. But I mean, look at that. Look at that score. Do you not see that high score on the board right there? Hold up, let me turn this up so you guys can see. Nice, awesome. Don't mess a bull by the ones. What idiot's gonna mess with a bull first of all? Come on. It's just freaking common sense. You have to be stupid to mess with a bull. You know, I think I'll do that one day in my life. I'm gonna go up there and pull a bull by a phone. And I'm gonna go on YouTube right here and come back and tell you I win. I probably can't speak right because the bull would have stepped and swim out of my hand. I bet you that's true. I'm not even joking on that. What idiot messes with a ball? Someone tell me that. Who messes with a ball? Come on. You gotta have common sense not to freaking mess with a ball. But okay, whatever. Getting out that retarded top there. Alright. Get back to this man. Don't worry. I got a little hint surprise for y'all on what's that day? Christmas break. I got a new video. I think I'll make a party. If no, I just no, I can't. You guys have been waiting too long. If I really take Christmas break, I won't be happy. I like to be happy. So I'm not even gonna sing. So let me just give you a little hint. It's about a song. And I don't know if you guys think it's funny or not, but I'm gonna try and make you guys. If I can't, that's what YouTube is all about. Making people's lives much better than their own lives. We didn't have YouTube, but we have people live. Do you not see how boring that is? People like, what do people do? Do they smoke? Do they smoke crack? See, now with Shadow, I'm going to have to hurt you. Because what you just did right there was a violation of me, right? I didn't ask you to come up out there. And then good Shadow gonna shoot me again. I swear, if I have to, I will come up in this game and slap you so hard you'll feel it in real life. So I just wanted to show you guys that. That's 2,285 and a King of the Hill. I won my match again for like, what, 3,800 time again. Alright, so I'm going to go up there, and if you want to join my clan, I'm going to put the name in this video, but all y'all have to do from now on is type Kamehameha, and there I am, and that's where I'll be. Sorry I made you bored, y'all, like, for the 7 minutes y'all had. I didn't mean to. I just want to show y'all this score. I don't think no one beat it.